well. What you're going to need is you need to get yourself one of these winterization kits. And what it consists of a reservoir tank, put antifreeze in, control nozzle, a hose that hooks up to a set of muffs that pulls the antifreeze up through the engine in place of the water. Now, the way I do this is, first I hook up a hose to the stern drive. I'll fire the engine up, let it warm up, get the thermostat open, and then what you need to do, depending on your boat and how you drain the water from the manifolds in the block, you'll need to unhook your drains, let them drain out, let the system get completely clear of water after your engine is warmed up, of course. Then what you're going to do is you're going to hook up the reservoir tank to the muffs, and then you're going to fire up the engine again, and then you're going to let it run through its cycle and pull the antifreeze up through the engine. Now when the reservoir tank is close to empty, you're going to take some fogging oil and you're going to spray it down your carburetor. You're going to spray it pretty generously because you need to kill the engine. And after that, it's pretty much done. It's a pretty easy process. Our things for winterization is you can vacuum your floors, you can shampoo them, change the oil, change the gear oil. That's all optional and up to you. In this case, I'm not going to be changing the engine oil because I did it midway through the season, and it ought to be fine till, well, all the way through till next season. So, all right, let's get started. Okay, there we go. No, it's fine. It's fine. She's gonna sound kind of funky, but it's fine. What we've done now is we've started the engine, and we're just going to let it run and warm up, and what that does is it opens the thermostat. Alright, now the engine is warmed up. It's at its normal operating temperature. From here you're just going to kill the engine, and then what you're going to do is you're going to drain your block into the bilge, and it's fine for now, don't freak out. You're going to drain out your block and then your exhaust manifold drain. Got your antifreeze reservoir hooked up with the muffs to the system, and it's running. You're just going to keep it running until it runs out. That's all there is to this. As you can see, the exhaust has turned pink. So it's running through the system. You're going to run this as low as you can. And when it gets to probably about here, inside the engine, you're going to lift the carburetor cover and you're going to spray it with fogging oil. Wait though. Alright, spray it. Spray it generously. Keep spraying, keep spraying. All right, you're good.